We would like to see today to analyze the account of the trader Hussein, and he is having the account in Vantage International Live, and he's a very good trader. As from his analysis of the trades, there are many profitable trades, and he has achieved a 75% accuracy. And we can see that he has deposited initially $750 and started the trade since the 2019 October. Actually, in 10 months period of time, he has deposited around $47,000 and withdrawn $13,000. And from the trade history, as we can see, there are many profitable trades and few losses, but losses are higher than the profit, and that's only the error. He has to correct it, and he has to understand that he is actually a day trader, as he is not a positional trader, or he is not a trader to hold for more than 1 day or 2 days, or either more than a week. As in this complete video, we are analyzing step by step his account, his psychology, his state of the mind, and what type of trader he is. There are trades of gold, there are trades of oil, but major trades has been done into the US stocks and US index like Dow Jones, Nasdaq, and in three major index he has traded around more than, so total trades he has done in all the pairs including the index around 4,000 plus. So in 10 months 4,100 trades is a pretty many trades. As day trader, we can suggest these are the trades quantity should be. So 400 trades every month, you can say he's trading it in a 10 months. So per day around 5 to 10 trades he is trading it with his capital, and see it balance is left at 1.29, and now we are going to analyze his each trades individually, and you can see that Vantage International Live 4 account we are right now analyzing, and we have the tools where we can check his all histories. Here say you can see the loss of his account 33,412, and same loss as per our tools it is showing 33,412, and we can see the many orders like Dow Jones. The loss is a $19,000, and highest trade quantity in the Dow Jones he has traded 1,800 trades. Then Nasdaq, his loss is maximum $50,000 with 248 trades. So means less trades, but he booked the many losses into Nasdaq. And S&P 500, which is again the US index, where he made a loss of 5,000 with the 52 trades. Crude oil is commodity where he made a loss of $22,000 with 304 trades. So these are only the major losses he has done, and apart from that he made a good profit into the currency trades, and which we can see that GBP USD, GBP OD, EuroCAD, Euro NZD, there are with a very few trades he is into the profit. So if he has continued this trading style of the day trading, he could have made a very good profit, and he could have avoided the losses. So the losses in, again you can see the GBP JPY in the profit, and XAUSD there are many trades, 467 trades Net PIP is $283, and we can see here the $3,000 highest profit he had made it into the Nikkei 225 index. It's a Japan index, and in that he made a good profit of $3,000. So he has a good grip with the only 9 trades he made that profit. Supposed to be he got a good trend during that entry, and highest trades we can see the Dow Jones has a 1,800 almost trades he has placed into the Dow Jones index with a $19,000 loss, and bigger loss is into the Nasdaq 100 where $50,000 loss with the 248 trades. So we would like to analyze further with each and every details, and step by step we will follow all the steps. It is a long videos, but if you go through till the end, we are definitely sure that you will get a lot of benefit, and it will help you to improve a mistake done by the traders and what are the qualities of the trading you are doing it by analyzing the trades in the systems, and by analyzing the trading history you can understand your psychology as well. So let's do that again. These are the trading history of his accounts where his deposit and all the 4,000 plus trade has been placed with the loss of 33,412 with the deposit. Unfortunately here that one is live account of the Vintage International broker, which is a good broker also. And yes, now we are analyzing the complete reports of the trades. Here is we have the tools where we can see the trader's psychology by you can see the portfolio and total profit loss, his profit factor, number of trades he has placed. So in end of the 10 months his loss is 33,412 and major loss in Nasdaq as well as there are many pairs he is making the profit, and these are the list of the trades, and this is the equity chart. In equity chart we can see the volumes of the trade, means how many lots he has traded in the February and April's and May, June 2020. His lot size is higher, and we can see his portfolio is increased by adding the deposit of the fund. That is not increased due to the profit. The blue line indicates the portfolio line. As you can see the below all the traded pair and index has been added, and these are the major 3 pairs where he had made a loss, and due to his portfolio suddenly fall to the $1 from $47,000. In this chart we can analyze his psychology, the trading pattern. As you can see, this 2019 loss, 2020 loss, and his win ratio is pretty good, 76% to 72%. With that win ratio, it's no profit, it's like surprising. You must has to be the profitable as this accuracy. So what are the major reason? It's a risk and reward pattern. He has not followed it, as his risk is higher than the reward. So if he has maintained it above one risk and reward pattern with a 30% accuracy, he could have make a profit, but with a 76% accuracy he is not able to make profit because his risk reward ratio is 1.29 only. It's not reached to the 0.5. We can see the profit loss by trade duration. His maximum profit in a 5 minutes to the 8 hours, as his trade duration are mostly profitable between 5 minutes to the 8 hours time period. And above 16 hours or 1 day or 4 days and 8 days, he is making loss only. We can see the red bars and most of the green bars between 5 minutes to 8 hours only. So he is a very good day trader. And you can see the 8 hours again, he has a low profit bar. And most of the loss bar in a 30 days, more than 30 days, 4 days, 8 days. So he is not a positional trader. He is not analyzing the fundamental factors. And you can see the win ratio is pretty good also. Win losses per month. His win is higher in a green mark. Most of the trade he is making the profit. But it's just a deception. Actually he is making the loss only because of the risk reward. His losses is higher than his reward. He has to correct that part. And trade by duration, also the highest trades he has placed into the 4 hours time frame. Where you can see that 800 trades placed in 4 hours time frame. So he is a day trader and he's a very good on that. That's the reason he's placing that many trades. But the what is happening, and see the profit loss per month, he can able to make profit in only 2 months. All other months is only the loss. May is the highest losses he has made it during the 10 months. Again the win losses by day, we can see the chart is very good for the win, but losses are less, but still he is not able to make profit because of risk reward is less. His loss are only 28%, profit is 72%. So if in a first glance we see the report, we surprised that this trader is a very good trader but still could not able to make a profit. So he has to, what are the things he has to correct it, so he can utilize his skills and make a high profit. Here we can see he is a day trader. From this chart only we can analyze, as he is trading with a very short period of time, and what happening in that period of time, the trades which is not going to be success, he is holding it for a long term. He is not following the stop loss on those trades. If he has followed the stop loss on those trades, if he has cut out his losses, then he could have continued with his capital and decent profit with that. So hope this charts and his analyze. Now we are going to analyze his trade history, and there are some mathematical statistics from that. Now what are the remedies actually, we want to say that okay, we have given now, or we explained about the trader's method and trader's psychology, trading pattern method, but what are the steps he could have done to improve? See, the trade has been placed on 2019 October, so almost 10 months is completed. So we will explain you now with mathematical form that if he would have corrected, if you would have followed this risk and reward pattern, profit must be there in his account. So here we can see these are the average profit he made it on his 2, and average loss he made it 131. So total trades he has placed 4100, total profit trades 2971 out of 4100 with the 72% accuracy, and total loss trades out of 4100 is 1129 made a loss on account, and total loss on those accounts, if you count it, it is 131.89. He has taken a risk in his 1100 trades, and reward he has only done $38 on his all 2900 trades. So if you take the risk reward, means reward divided by risk, you get the ratio of 0.29. We will count it at 38. Exactly the 0.29. So the best profit risk reward is a 1 gem 1 minimum, and if above 1 gem 1, it is the, you can never be the loss at any situation. But here the it's less than break even. It should be at least 0.5. In this accuracy, if he has followed the 0.5 risk reward, he could have make a very huge profit. And with the 1 gem 1 or 1 gem 0.5, But we will give you the complete statistics with the point 5 and 1 gem 1. What would be his profit if he has followed the 1 gem 1 or 1 gem 0.05? Or 1 gem 2 is it's no doubt with that accuracy, with the 40% accuracy, still you can make a profit. So let's see that yes, if we make a profit of $50 rather than $38, only we are just increase a bit more reward, like profit rate, average profit rate. Then if you multiple what fit from his total 209.71 trades, it's average, so we get a one figure which is around 148k profit, around 0.15 million profit, and the loss we have taken it $100, means we have followed the risk reward of 0.5, where profit is 50 and loss is 100. So 129 is the total loss trade. So if we multiple with 100, it's become the $112,000. If you get the profit, you get around $37,000 profit, around $35,000 profit, as your gross profit is definitely increased because of 0.5 risk reward. So he has traded a 10 months, so monthly return would be $3,500. If he had just increased his profit rates and just reduce the loss from 131 to 100, we are not asking him to do a big favor, but just reduce the loss, then he could have make a $3,500 profit per month, because these are the 10-month profits. And how could he possibly do it? By just following the SL and TP in each and every trades. That's all, nothing else. You have to cut your profit and you have to cut your losses with that proportional. So these are the easy step. First easy step that he can follow it. That increase the profit by just few percentages from 38 to $50 in each trades, and reduce the loss from 131 to $100. So the risk reward as per the 50 divided by 100, it is a 0.5. You are following the risk reward 0.5 only, and still you can make monthly 3,500 return. It is almost 10%, 10 to 12% return of your capital monthly, and you can reinvest that profit into another MT4 account, and in that way you can increase and you can take the risk on your profit but not on your main capital. So now the 3000, now let's see that if he has followed the 1 gem 1 risk reward pattern, what would be his profit per month. Profit, we assume that he has to do the $100 per trades and loss $100. So risk reward will be 1 gem 1. So in this scenario, what could be, as he has to trade with the same 72% accuracy, and he has to only do the day trade, and again he has to only do the currency trades, that he is not good into the. So we can see here the 2971 is a profitable trades and 1129 is the loss trade. So into multiple by 100, we get the total profit in 10 months, as the 2,971 is a profitable trades and 1,129 loss trades. So multiple by 100, as 100 profit, 100 loss. So the total gain is it's, if you divide by 10, it becomes almost $18,000 profit per month. So 0.18 million is net profit and $18,000 profit per month with the risk reward of 1 gem 1. So I think it's a very good return of his capital. He's getting each and every month 50% return of his capital. And I guess so it is the very good profit on his capital of $30,000 with getting the $18,000 profit consistently. And you can see here that the expected payoff is $8 less. And why these losses happen? Because total trades 4,100, in each trade he is making loss of $8. So it's definitely 33,000 loss. So he has to get the expected payoff in positive, and profit factor is also less than 1. And profit factor is gross profit divided by gross loss. And if it is a less than 1, you can never be profitable. You have to increase above 1.0 only. It has to be 1.1, 1.2. And with that 100 and 100, with this much, and see the consecutive win is also higher than consecutive loss. Means each 6 trades, each 8 trades, he is making 6 wins and 2 losses. It's a pretty good accuracy. As suppose if we follow with the $100 profit loss, 600 profit and 200 loss, still in each 8 trades he can able to make the $400 profit by following the same risk reward pattern of 1J1. Here it doesn't matter either you are trading with 1 lot, 2 lot, 4 lot, but keep your risk as same as your target point. In that way, if you follow for the long run, you can make, see the 200, 6 consecutive wins, 6 2 consecutive loss, still you can make the $400 profit out once you complete your 8 trades. You should fix your lot size, fix your loss, and adjust your SL and TP accordingly. There are ways. If you want to trade 10 lot, 5 lot, doesn't matter. You can reduce those loss unfortunately by following these few simple steps, and it's not a big science actually. It can be followed by anyone, and proper methodology, proper discipline, and proper management. That's all. You have to just calculate it. You have to calculate your SL and TP, and it's very easy. As per your loss, you have to calculate it. Suppose you want to keep the loss of $150, and as per the lot size, you have to adjust the pips on the pairs which you are trading it. So here, if you want to keep the $100 profit and $100 loss, you have to adjust the SL and TP according to. And if you increase it above the $100 profit, then definitely it is at the end of the month you are staying in a good profit. End of the and TP, if you want to keep the 500, keep the SL also 500, but follow the same pattern constantly. Here your lot size will be higher. If you are trading with 1 lot, keep your $100 profit, $100 risk, and 10 pips gain. And if you want to increase it, then definitely your chart will be not like this. Your chart will be constantly up. This gap down of wipe out the capital cannot be happen if you follow SL and TP and proper risk and reward pattern. It's a simple calculation. It's a 5th grade maths. It's not any complex mathematics. It's a simple statistics. If you not follow the SL, you will wipe out your capital. Follow the SL, follow the good risk and reward.